In this video, we'll be looking at how you can read and monitor the Samil Single Tracker Inverter. BioSolar recommends checking your inverter at least once a week to make sure that the system is functioning correctly. It only takes a second and helps ensure long-term optimal performance. If you need to switch off your solar system, there is a shutdown procedure labelled on your inverter. Switch the AC power off first. This switch can be found in your switchboard labelled Solar Supply Main Switch. Then the DC power, which is a separate switch next to the inverter. Reverse this procedure when you want to turn the system back on. When you look at the display screen, it should say Normal State, which is the default state of the inverter. You should also see a green light on next to the title Normal, indicating that the inverter is working as it should be. If you do notice the red light is on and the screen is not saying normal state, the inverter may have a problem. Reboot the system by following the shutdown procedure labelled on your inverter. If the fault light is still lit, write down the error code and contact BioSolar. Pressing the round blue function button will take you through each display. Your E-total tells you how many kilowatt hours the system has generated since being installed. In this case, 6,533 kilowatt hours. To see how your system is doing today, use the function button to bring you to the eToday display. As you can see, this system has nearly produced 13 kilowatt hours. The eToday figure will vary depending on the weather conditions on the day. If one day was clear and sunny, the total kilowatt hours will be more than another day when it has been raining. If you keep pressing the function button, you will notice that there are many other screens with different information. These are useful if you want a more in-depth reading of the system's performance. However, your eTotal and eToday screens relate directly to the total energy produced by the solar system. To get the most accurate assessment of your system's performance, you should use the eTotal figure divided by the number of days since the system was switched on.